Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers, and today's review on the Lego City 60399 race car set. So here's the front, side, and back. Anyways, let's take a look at the go-kart race car. It looks really nice with the color orange and light green. Very cool on the wheels. So yeah, that's really cool. Anyways, let's take a look at the guy who's holding the camera. There we go. He looks like he's smiling, holding the camera just like this. He looks like if he's ready to take a photo of a female driver winning on the racetrack. That's really cool for minifigures. Then let's take a look at the female driver. There she is. It also comes with her helmet, where you can take the hairpiece off and then put her helmet on to make it look like if she's ready. Now I'm just going to grab the go-kart and then put her inside. And there she is. And then the last one to show is a trophy that it comes with. Very nice shade of gold right here. So, yeah. This probably considered one of the most beautiful Lego City sets ever made. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this set right here? Let me know what you think. So anyways, thank you for the support and 571 subscribers. I really appreciate that. So anyways, thanks for watching, and bye for now.